How to make a new Snapchat after being banned. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually create or make a new Snapchat account after being banned. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end, but before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say you have actually been banned from Snapchat. What you want to do first thing is you want to simply uninstall the Snapchat app and then go ahead and reinstall it again. So go ahead and uninstall and then reinstall the Snapchat app. After that, you can simply open Snapchat on your device. Once you open Snapchat, here at the bottom what you want to do is tap on the option that says sign up. Right here you can see at the bottom of the screen you have the option called sign up or log in. So what we actually want to do is simply tap on the sign up button. So once you see sign up, tap on the sign up button. Here you want to simply enter your first name as well as your last name, and again as you enter your first name as well as your last name, what you want to do is simply tap on this button which says sign up and accept. So go ahead and tap on sign up and accept. Here you want to simply select or choose your birthday. You can go ahead and simply choose the birthday which you want to use for the Snapchat account, and after that again you want to go ahead and simply tap on the continue button right over here. So go ahead and simply tap on continue, and you can also go ahead and change your username if you want to. You can tap on this button right over here which is highlighted in blue that says to actually change your username. So go ahead and simply tap on change my username if you're not satisfied, and once you're actually satisfied with it, at the bottom you can go ahead and simply tap on the continue button. As you tap on continue, it is going to actually ask us to set a password. Once you enter your password, tap on continue button again. And as you can see, it says us to enter your email address. Now here you want to be careful. You don't want to use the email address or the phone number which got banned on your previous Snapchat account. You want to go ahead and simply create a new email address. You can sign up to a new email address or a Gmail address. You could also use Microsoft Outlook, but make sure that you are entering the email address which is different from the account which actually got banned. So make sure you have been careful of that, and then tap on continue, and it may ask us to actually verify our number and so on. You can skip this process if you want to. I'm going to simply skip this process, and then you can go ahead and simply log into your account in that way. So this was the way on how you can very easily create a Snapchat account after being banned. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.